In the previous video, we learned how to get a field's value using the getValue method. In this video, we will learn how to set a field's value programmatically using the setValue method. To access the setValue method, we need to destructure it from the form object. This method allows us to set the value of a registered field. To test this method, let's add a new button with a click handler that will update the value of a field. We can copy and paste the JSX code from the previous video's getValue method and make the necessary changes. Change the button label to setValue and the handler to handle setValue. Define the handler function that will be called when the button is clicked. Const handle setValue, and this is a function. Within the handler function, we will call the setValue method, and when we call the setValue method, we need to pass in two arguments. First argument is the field name, and the second argument is the new field value. For example, let's set the username field to an empty string. Head back to the browser, and you can see we have Batman set as the username. Scroll down, click on Set Value, and we see the username field has been updated to an empty string. Now, it is important to note that calling setValue does not affect the state of the field, such as dirty, touched, or validation. If we want to change the field state as if a user is interacting, we need to pass in a third argument to the setValue method. This is an options object, and we can set should validate, should dirty, and should touch to true. If you go back, refresh, and click on Set Value, we can see the field state has updated and the error message is being displayed in the UI. So the setValue method allows us to programmatically set the value of a registered field in React Hook form. Alright, thank you for watching. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.